Hi YouTube, today in this video I will be teaching you how to make a keycard door in Roblox Studio. So in front of me I have a door frame, the door, and the keycard. Make sure that you also have the keycard in the bottom of Explorer in the starter pack. So to start off, we're going to need to put two things into the door. We're going to need to put in a script, and we're also going to need to put in a bool value. Name this bool value debounce. Now, we're also going to need to enter the variable for debounce. So we're going to do local debounce equals script.parent.debounce.value. Now we're going to need to tell the script when the door is being hit and by what. So we're going to do script.parent.touch::connect function hit. Now we're going to check if what's hitting the door is the keycard. So we're going to do if hit.parent.name equals parentheses card. Now I'm doing hit.parent because the handle is what's hitting it. So we want to make sure that the parent card is what is touching the door. So we're going to put then, and now we're going to check if the debounce is false. So we're going to do if debounce equals false, then we're going to continue on with the script, but we're also going to set the debounce as true so people don't spam it. So we're going to put debounce equals true. This will change the value in the door as well. So now we're going to need to make the door move. So we're going to do for x equals 1, 41. Now to get this number here, you're going to need to check how long the door is in the frame. So this is 4 steps long and my increment is 0.1. So I'm going to do 40, but I also don't want it to glitch like this and just show like that, because that makes it look very, very bad. So I added 41 because then it won't glitch and it'll just be behind the frame. We're going to do it again. Now we're going to actually move it. So first you need to make sure that you know which way it's turning. So we're going to go down to the Properties tab and go to Position. We need to check if it's moving on X, Y, or Z axis. So we're going to move it and see which one is changing, which is the Z axis. And we want to move it this way, so check which way it's going. And it's actually going up. So we're going to change it to make it go up. So we're going to do wait 0.1. So every 0.1 seconds it'll move it. So we're going to do script.parent.cframe equals script.parent.cframe plus vector3.new. And then we're going to put the position. So we're going to do 0, 0, 0. We just need all these zeros so it knows not to move it in a certain direction, in just this direction. So Z would be the last one. So we're moving it up, so we're going to do, I said my increment was 0.1, so we're going to put that. Now, at the end of this, we're going to want to set the debounce back. Well, actually first, we're going to need, so when it's done with that, it's going to put it back. So we're going to do for x equals 141, do again, so it sends it back the same way. So we're going to do wait 0.1 script.parent.cframe equals script.parent.cframe plus vector3.new, and then we're going to want to move it back. So we're going to do negative 0.1, which will send it back to its original location. But between these, we're going to want to add how much we want it to wait, so how long it's going to be open. Let's say it's going to be open for 3 seconds. Then it'll start closing again. Now after this, we're going to want to set the debounce back to false. So this will allow it to be used again after. So let's test our script. if it'll load. Alright, so we're going to go over to the door with the key card. Now, let's see if it opens. Let's wait for it to close. Now let's try glitching it. It should open right. It should open multiple times. But no, because we added a debounce. There you go.